Hey guys, today I'm gonna try something fun. So I just ordered a new hair system in color number 22 from Lordhair, and this time I'm gonna go for a purple hair. This is the hair straight out of the box, and this is how it looks after 1 hour with my hairstylist. Okay guys, now I want to show you how I install the hair. Since this is a Neo hair system, so I usually just apply the tapes around it. And then you're gonna locate the hairline, which is usually 4 fingers above your eyebrows. As you can see, the lace front looks very natural even up close. From a normal distance, it's really impossible to tell that this isn't my real hairline.